Hi, this is Aaron Palak, your NCLEX coach. Today I'm going to give a brief introduction about NCLEX RN exam, which is for the nurses, that is National Council Licensure Examination. First of all, today I'm going to talk about NCLEX is for which profession? NCLEX is for nurses profession. Those who are nurses, whether in India, whether in Canada, USA, Australia. The NCLEX is for those nurses who have not passed this exam earlier and they are not able to get the RN number, your registered nurse number, from a specific country and from a specific state. So here we need to understand what are the three steps for passing the NCLEX. First of all, step number one is eligibility. You have to take the eligibility from any specific state or any country from where you are going to apply for your NCLEX RN exam. Suppose if you are going to apply in America, and in America, suppose you are going to apply for New York board. So there is a New York board of nursing which is providing you the eligibility, which set a eligibility criteria, and the nurse who has to meet the eligibility criteria so that his or her verification can be done that this person or this nurse has genuinely done any nursing diploma or any bachelor degree. So this is the eligibility criteria you have to meet, the first step. Second, ATT. ATT means authorization to test. That means after getting your eligibility, you have to apply for ATT, which is valid for 6 months. That means by that time, when you apply for the ATT, you can start your preparation of NCLEX so that till the time you get the ATT authorization to test, by the time you will be prepared for the NCLEX RN exam, then within 6 months you have to take the ATT, and then after this third step your NCLEX will be passed. That means your preparation has been done along with the ATT. You get the ATT within the 6 months. It has the 6 months validity. So within the 6 months, you have to give your exam and you have to pass your NCLEX exam. So this is all about the NCLEX journey. So now I'm going to talk about the purpose of NCLEX. What is the purpose of giving this NCLEX exam? Well, it really works on safe, effective nursing decisions. They check the nurses whether they are able to take the safe decision for the patient, whether they are able to take the decision in a critical situation for the patient, that patient is really in emergency and they do not let the patient die. So this is the main effective nursing decision which has to check for the nurses by the NCLEX exam. Next, what NCLEX test? What actually NCLEX tests in the nurses? What actually he sees in the nurses? He wants to see the management of care. What kind of care the patient is receiving? Is it safe? Is it priority based? So this is about the management of care. The NCLEX will test you. Here, next is safety and infection prevention and control. Infection prevention is the must point, is very important point in NCLEX. Pharmacology, whether you have the knowledge of drug calculation, drug classification, or its side effects or its adverse effects. So this is all about the pharmacology. Next is recognizing cues. Here, the recognizing cues means he wants to check whether you are able to recognize the cues, to catch the cues that yes, the patient may be having maybe or chest pain, may be having the early sign and symptoms of adverse effect of any pharmacology therapy. So here with the NCLEX tests you various things. There are approximately 12-13 points where NCLEX tests you, that you need to join us, you need to connect with us so that you can know that yes, which kind of things really NCLEX tests you. At last, I would like to recommend how should students prepare for this NCLEX exam. There are main four things, main four pillars. First of all, you have to be consistent. If you are consistent with your studies, if you are doing great in your studies, like if you are putting time, putting efforts, even for the half an hour also, the NCLEX will really pass you. Second is you have to make your rationales. You have to understand each and every rationale behind every concept. The concept should be clear, with the rationally. Third, you must focus on your weak areas. You have to concentrate on your weak areas such as pharmacology, psychiatric pharmacology, because these are the medications only where people lacking behind. So the nurses have a good grab on the pharmacological concepts. Stay tuned. Keep supporting us. Follow our channel RN Palak to get this kind of knowledge about the RN NCLEX exam. And thank you so much.